How to sell crypto in Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to sell crypto in Trust Wallet. In order to sell crypto in Trust Wallet, you have to go through some of the criteria. First of all, make sure that your account is already verified. Next thing, you need to make sure that you have enough coins or that you have enough balance. Other thing is you have to have a destination. So now to begin with the selling procedure, open up or log in into your Trust Wallet account. Go ahead and enter in your PIN and then log in into your account. When you're logged into your account, that is going to take you to this field, which is going to look something like this. So while you're on this page, press the send button, and here you need to go ahead and select all network, select the asset that you wish to sell, and when you've actually selected the asset, then it's going to show you the exact amount or the exact amount of asset that you have currently. Then enter in the exact amount that you want to sell, select the destination, and if you wish to convert it, all of that, and confirm the transaction, and you'll have successfully sold crypto in Trust Wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.